Chapter 1: Variety and the Depth of Diversity.
Whenever we move around in our day-to-day life, we are bound to see people of varied tastes, social background, religions, languages, cultures, customs, and traditions. This set of differences and variety is known as diversity. Diversity. In a vast country like India, there are many regions. Each region has its own culture, language, food habit, literature, dance, music, etc. Such diversities have enriched India's culture and heritage. Factors influencing the diversity of India. Geographical and historical factors influence the diversity of a region. In fact, the geography of a place has an important bearing on the history of a place. It has shaped the art, customs, and way of life of the people of India. Geographical factors. If people lived near the sea, they took to fishing. People who lived on the banks of the river took to cultivation, whereas people living in hilly terrains took a rearing of cattle as a viable source of livelihood. Historical factors. History is evident that migration within diverse regions has influenced the existing cultures and trends to great extent. There is a greater interchange and intermixing of ideas and human minds, which has resulted in the development of a composite culture. Diversity in India. Diversity in languages. The languages spoken in India can broadly be classified into two groups on the basis of their origin. The languages spoken in the southern part of India belong to the Dravidian group, whereas the languages spoken in the northern part of our country has been derived from Sanskrit and belong to the Bharopi group. Thus, Indian languages have evolved over a period of time, assimilating from different ethnic groups. There are as many as 179 living languages and 1600 dialects in use in different parts of the country. Diversity in religions. People of different religions, Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, Buddhists, and many others. They have different places of worship and different religious practices. All religions are equal before the eyes of law. That is why we call ourselves a secular state. Diversity in lifestyles. Differences in climatic conditions in different regions of India bring diversity in the living styles of people, which includes dresses, food habits, festivals, etc. For example, people of Rajasthan wear turbans as headgear to protect themselves from extreme heat and sandstorm. Our family system is also diverse. In most of the regions in India, a patriarchal family system prevails. That is, the head of the family is a male member. Diversity in food and festivals. The rich Indian cuisine is yet another eye-opener which displays diversity in food. Different food habits are seen in different regions of the country due to diverse climatic conditions. While southern and eastern part of the country eat more rice, fish and coconut, and western part of the country take more wheat, pulses, milk and milk products. Due to the various religions, people of India celebrate different festivals in different regions at different times. Baisakhi in Punjab, Onam in Kerala, Bihu in Assam, Makar Sankranti in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are some examples of our festivals. Diversity in resources. While one region is rich in natural resources, the other region lacks them. For instance, Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu are flourishing regions in terms of economic prosperity. Unity in diversity. In spite of all the diversity in different fields, physical, social, linguistic, cultural, and religious, there is a fundamental unity that binds the whole of India together. Fundamental unity. When an Indian participates in an international event, the whole country prays for his/her success irrespective of caste and creed. Celebration of various festivals are held together like Holi, Dasera, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, etc. All religions enjoy equal respect before the eyes of law. There is no official state religion. Our national symbols that promote national identity are our tricolor Tiranga, our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, and our national song Vande Mataram, and they are honored equally by all Indians. Such thoughts promote national integration and have made India a successful democracy. People of diverse origins come to our country from time to time and stayed here. All these people ultimately made India their home. Their way of life, their ideas, art and architecture, cuisine, dresses, etc. were either assimilated or adapted by the people. This resulted in the development of a unique and composite culture.